Hello, my dear students. It's me, your teacher. Today we are going to learn the lesson Our Food. During this session, we are going to learn that food is essential to live and helps to lead a healthy lifestyle. First, we are going to get to know a mixed meal, which is also known as a balanced diet, which shows that we should consume a meal that gives your body the nutrients it needs to function correctly. Following picture is an example for such a meal. So are you also having a mixed meal? If you want to be healthy, you should have a mixed meal. Mixed meal. A diet which contains all the required nutrients called a mixed meal. When talking about food, you will often hear people refer to the word nutrients. Is the food full of nutrients? Is it a nutrient-rich food? Are you getting your recommended daily serves of nutrients? Now let's see what are nutrients and why are they good for you. Nutrients are the substances in food that help our body to function properly. Your nutrient requirements can be different with your age, growth stage and activity. Nutrients are so small that the naked eye can't see them. We are going to learn the following nutrients. They are carbohydrate, proteins, vitamins and minerals. When you think of the word carbohydrates, the first image that might pop into your head may be a bowl of pasta, a baked potato, or a plate of rice. You're right. However, there are other foods that contain carbohydrates that may not be as obvious. Carbohydrates are also called starch. Starches include grain products such as bread, crackers, pasta, and rice. When you eat carbohydrates, your body breaks them down into simple sugars, which are absorbed into the blood. As the sugar level rises in your body, you receive the energy needed. Carbohydrates provide energy. We need to eat protein foods such as meat, fish, eggs, tofu, nuts, and beans every day. Protein is essential for building, maintaining and repairing the tissues in our body. As children, you must have plenty of proteins as your body is still growing. So, which food with protein do you like the most? But make sure to have varieties of food. Proteins help the growth of our body. Vitamin means vital for life. In simpler terms, it says that vitamins are essential for our life. Vitamins and minerals are compounds necessary for the healthy functioning of our bodies. We need vitamins and minerals to fight diseases as it builds our immunity system. Vitamins and minerals protect us from diseases. Following diagram indicates the proper amount of food that we should have in our daily meals. You should have plenty of cereals, yams, fruits and vegetables, green leaves, a considerable amount of meat, fish, eggs and other non-dairy proteins. Now, let us see what happens to us when we do not have healthy food. If you do not consume healthy food, you will have to suffer often from stomach aches and vomiting. You might feel sleepy and lazy as you do not have sufficient energy and nutrition to do our daily work. And also, you might get constipation, a condition in which there is difficulty in emptying the bowel, often caused by having too much milk. Discomforts that happen when not having healthy food. Get stomach aches, vomiting, feel sleepy and lazy, and constipation. Therefore, to avoid the above discomforts, you should eat rice and cereals, vegetables, green leaves, and fruits which contain the nutrients required for the functioning of our body and to live a healthy life. By adding healthy and nutritious food in our daily meals, we get energy, help our body to grow, and protect our body from diseases. Not only the food mentioned earlier, but you must also drink medicinal drinks. They are products which provide health benefits such as improving our immune system and help the heart performance, etc. They are popular as they can prevent diseases and are convenient products. Food that can be taken to avoid the above discomforts: rice and cereals, vegetables, green leaves, fruits, and medicinal drinks. Fun activities to do at home. Find poems and songs which tell you about having healthy food and the way we should have our meals. Let's review. Try to answer the following questions in your ENV book. What is a mixed meal? State why we should eat food with carbohydrates, proteins, and vitamins. What are the discomforts we have to face if we do not consume healthy food? What are the foods we should have to avoid discomforts caused by unhealthy food? See you with the second part of our food lesson.